Presenting the 2009 Nissan Altima. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: 4-cylinder engine, power steering, front head airbag, child safety locks, power windows, remote trunk release, front reading lamps, intermittent wipers, and bucket seats. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.